What up, guys? Live Eventually checking in. Nice to meet you. Got another hot one for you. Top 5 courier companies you should sign up with right now, guys. Remember, guys, the more tools in your toolbox, the more opportunity you have to make some extra cash with these courier apps, guys. Don't get discouraged. Keep signing up. Keep trying. Check out the video.
All right, guys. First off, we're starting with point pickup. You're doing grocery deliveries, retail deliveries, fast mile. This is located in PA, Florida, Illinois. It may be near you. You have to check. It's not everywhere, but it could be near you. Reach out to these people and say, hey, I'm available. Can you do this here in this state, this city? They are quickly ready to add a city or state because that means they're scaling and that means they're growing. But you can make anywhere from $25 an hour plus up to $30 an hour plus. Just all depends on where you're at, how much you're taking. If you have a car or a box truck, that's gonna change the capacity of how many things you can take, how many things you can pick up and deliver, and that's gonna change how much you're making hourly. So check out Point Pickup, guys.
At number 2, Fleet Courier, guys. You're gonna be doing a lot of medical work with this one. So this is essentially a medical courier, you know, the blood bank stuff, the specimen, things of that nature. They're primarily based in the Northeast region of the United States, and you should definitely check this one out. You can make up to $25 an hour. They're accepting cars all the way up to box trucks, guys. Fleet Couriers, check them out.
All right, number 3, we have Shipt Drivers. Shipt. S-H-I-P-T, drivers.
Link below.
This is located in Florida, places like Illinois, PA. It has a wide variety of places it's located, but again, as always, with all of these apps, you have to check if it's near you or reach out to them. You'll be delivering from Target, the store, and you'll be able to make anywhere from $2,000 to up to $5,000 a month, guys. That is a heaping chunk of money. That's $60,000 a year if you max out. So check out Shipt Delivery.
At number 4, this is a great one to look into, guys. We talked about this one before. Junk Gurus, guys. So obviously you're gonna need your sprinter van, box truck, trailer, whatever it is. And they're all over, guys. So check this app out. You can make up to $100 an hour. Hauling junk, picking up trash, clearing out things for people. Simple as that, guys. Junk Guru. Check it out. Don't sleep on this one.
All right, last but not least, we have Pack USA. This is located all across the Southeast, guys. Just check your local app. Check this app to see if it's located near you. So guys, what you're gonna be doing is e-com, route deliveries, last mile, etc. You're gonna be going all across the nation doing this, and you can make anywhere from $25+ hourly, guys. Just check the app, see what is available near you. With all of these guys, just reach out and see if they're willing to open up a location near you or open up the city near you. They may be willing to do that just because they're trying to scale, guys. All right, guys, this has been our top 5. If there are more out there, make sure you comment below. We need to hear from you. We love the emails. We love the responses we've been getting. Keep them coming. It keeps the channel flowing. It keeps our minds going. And we want to hear what we're doing wrong or what you want to see more of. As always, guys, like, comment, subscribe below. Live adventurously. The world is yours.